Question number 3. Solve the following equations, simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. a1x plus b1y is equal to a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Coefficient of x a1, coefficient of y b1. Here coefficient of x a2, second equation. Coefficient of y is equal to b2. Here write a1, b1 and here c1. First equation. Second equation, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Second equation. Here write a2, b2 and c2. a1 is equal to 3. b1 is equal to minus 4. c1 is equal to 10. In second equation, a2 is equal to 4. b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 5. d is equal to using Cramer's rule, d is equal to indeterminate a1 b1 a2 b2 is equal to, putting the values, a1 3, b1 minus 4, a2 4, b2 3 is equal to in bracket 3 into 3 minus in bracket minus 4 into 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 9 minus in bracket 4 into 4 minus 16. 3 into 3 9 minus 4 into 4 16 minus 16. 9 प्लस 16, ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन होगा तब ब्रैकेट में प्लस होगा तो माइनस हो जाता, माइनस होगा तो प्लस लिखना चाहिए. 9 प्लस 16 plus 9 plus 16, same sign, then numbers addition, 25. Value of d is equal to 25. dx is equal to c1 B1, C2, B2. C1 10, B1 minus 4, C2 5, B2 3, is equal to, in bracket, 10 into 3 minus, in bracket, minus 4 into 5 is equal to 10 into 3, 30, minus 20 is equal to 30. ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन है तो ब्रैकेट में से साइन चेंज होकर आएगा +20. dx इज इक्वल टू +30 +20. dx इज इक्वल टू 50. वैल्यू ऑफ dx इज इक्वल टू 50. dy इज इक्वल टू A1 C1, A2 C2 is equal to A1 3, C1 10, A2 4, C2 5 is equal to in bracket 3 into 5 minus in bracket 10 into 4 is equal to 3 into 5 15 minus 10 into 4 40 is equal to +15 minus 40, opposite sign, then subtraction. Bigger number 40 minus 40, then minus 25. dy, value of dy is equal to -25. by Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx upon d is equal to value of dx 50 upon value of d 25, then x is equal to 25 is a 1, 25 is a 2, 50. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to dy upon d is equal to dy minus 25 upon d 25. Then y is equal to 25 is a 1, -1. Therefore, solution is x comma y is equal to, first write value of x and then value of y, 2 comma -1. This is the solution of the given equation. Write the equations in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, the Cramer's formula. First equation, 4x plus 3y is equal to, लेफ्ट साइड को -4 है, वो राइट साइड को जाएगा तो उसका +4 हो जाएगा. 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. Equation first. Then second equation, write the form of ax plus by is equal to c. 6x, ये -5y राइट साइड को है, अगर वो लेफ्ट साइड को आएगा तो उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. +5y is equal to 8. Second equation. In first equation, a1 coefficient of x, here b1 and here c1, right? Next, second equation, a2, b2 and c2. In bracket, a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 4, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 5, c2 is equal to 8. Using Cramer's rule, D is equal to A1 B1 A2 B2. Value of A1 4, B1 3, A2 6, B2 5 is equal to in bracket 4 into 5 bracket complete minus in bracket 3 into 6 is equal to 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. Value of D is equal to 2. Now find the value of dx. Dx is equal to C1 B1 C2 B2. Substitute the values. C1 4, B1 3, C2 8, B2 5. In bracket 4 into 5 minus in bracket 3 into 8 is equal to 20 minus 20 minus 24 is equal to plus 20 minus 24. Opposite sign, bigger number is negative and bigger number sign minus. 20 minus 24 minus 4. Dx, value of dx is equal to minus 4. Dy is equal to A1 C1 A2 C2 is equal to A1 4 C1 4 A2 6 C2 8 is equal to in bracket 4 into 8 bracket complete minus in bracket 4 into 6 is equal to 32 minus 24 is equal to plus 32 minus 24. Opposite sign, then subtraction. Bigger number sign give 8. Dy is equal to 8. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d is equal to dx, value of dx minus 4 upon value of d 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to dy upon d is equal to dy is equal to 8 upon value of d 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Then y is equal to 4. Value of y is equal to 4. Therefore, solution is in bracket x comma y is equal to -2 comma 4. The equation x plus 2y is equal to -1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Second equation. X plus 2y is equal to -1. First equation. Two x minus 3y is equal to 12. Second equation. Coefficient of a1, coefficient of x is equal to a1. Here write, here coefficient 1, here coefficient 1 होता है 1. a1, b1, here c1. Here a2, coefficient of a2, coefficient of x, here 2. Second equation consider as a2, b2 and c2. a1 is equal to coefficient here plus 1, 1 right. b1 is equal to 2. c1 is equal to -1. a2 is equal to 2. b2 is equal to -3. c2 is equal to 12. d is equal to a1, b1, a2, b2 is equal to value of a1 1, b1 2, a2 2, b2 -3 is equal to in bracket 1 into -3, here minus in bracket 2 into 2 is equal to 1 into -3, -3 minus in bracket 4 is equal to -3 is equal to -7. D is equal to -7. Value of dx is equal to c1 b1, c2 b2 is equal to c1 is equal to -1, b1 2, c2 12, b2 -3. is equal to first multiplication this -1 into -3. -1 into -3 minus in bracket 2 into 12 is equal to, in multiplication minus minus plus 3 ones are 3 minus 12 into 2 24 is equal to plus 3 minus 24. Opposite sign, then subtraction. Minus bigger number sign minus 21 dx. Value of dx is equal to minus 21. Y is equal to A1 C1 A2 C2 is equal to A1 1 C1 minus 1 A2 2 C2 12 is equal to in bracket 1 into 12 minus in bracket minus 1 into 2 is equal to multiplication 12 ones are 12 minus in bracket 2 ones are 2 is equal to 12 माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा माइनस माइनस प्लस इज इक्वल टू 14 dy is equal to 14 by Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx upon d is equal to minus 21 upon minus 7. Then x is equal to minus minus plus 3. X is equal to 3. Value of x is equal to 3. Y is equal to dy upon d is equal to 14 upon minus 7. Y is equal to 7 into 2 14 minus sign 2. Y is equal to 2. But x comma y is equal to in bracket 3 comma minus 2. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. Question number 3. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Write the equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Equation first, 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. Consider as a first equation. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Second equation, coefficient of x 6, a1 minus 4 b1, c1 is equal to minus 12. a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to minus 12 right here. Next equation, a2 is equal to 8, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 2. D is equal to a1 b1, a2 b2 is equal to a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 4, a2 is equal to 8, b2 is equal to minus 3 is equal to in bracket 6 into minus 3 bracket complete, then minus in bracket minus 4 into 8 bracket complete is equal to 6 into 3 minus 18 minus 4 into 8 minus 32 is equal to minus 18. जब ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन होगा तब इन ब्रैकेट साइन चेंज, माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 32 इज इक्वल टू minus 18 plus 32, opposite sign, then subtraction is equal to 14. D is equal to 14, bigger number sign, then plus 14. Value of D is equal to 14. Dx is equal to C1 B1 C2 B2 is equal to C1 minus 12 B1 minus 4 C2 minus 2 B2 minus 3 is equal to in bracket into in bracket minus 3 bracket complete minus in bracket minus 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 12 multiply by minus 3. When multiplication minus minus plus 12 into 3 36 minus minus multiplication then plus 36 minus in bracket minus minus plus 4 into 2 8 is equal to 36। ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन होगा तो ब्रैकेट में साइन चेंज हो जाती है। -8 is equal to +36 -8, opposite sign, then subtraction, dx is equal to 28। value of dx is equal, dy is equal to a1 c1 rows columns, a2 c2 is equal to a1 is equal to 6, c1 is equal to -12, a2 is equal to 8, c2 is equal to -2। सिक्स इंटू -2 ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट माइनस -12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 इज इक्वल टू 6 into 2 -12 minus in bracket 12 into 8 minus 96 is equal to -12। ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन होगा तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी नंबर होगा उसके साइन चेंज हो जाते हैं। माइनस है, हियर माइनस देन प्लस, प्लस 96 इज इक्वल टू dy इज इक्वल टू -12 plus 96, opposite sign, then subtraction, bigger number sign right here, 96 minus 12 84। by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d is equal to, put the value of dx 28 upon value of d 14। 14 ones are 14, 14s are 2, 28, then x is equal to 2, value of x is equal to 2, then y is equal to dy upon d, y is equal to, put the value of dy 84 upon value of d 14, then y is equal to 14 into 6, 14 ones are 14, 14 to 6 84, then y is equal to 6। Therefore solution is x comma y is equal to, first write value of x 2, comma value of y 6. Example number 5. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. Consider the first equation. 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Consider as the second equation. Coefficient of 4, upper side write a1, here b1, here c1, a2, b2, coefficient of n b2, here c2. a1 is equal to 4, coefficient of m. b1 is equal to coefficient of n 6. c1 is equal to 54. a2 is equal to 3. b2 is equal to 2. c2 is equal to 28. Find the value of d. d is equal to a1 b1, a2 b2 is equal to a1 4, b1 6, a2 3, b2 2. In bracket 4 multiplied by 2 minus in bracket 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 8 minus 18 is equal to d is equal to plus 8 minus 18, opposite sign, then subtraction. Bigger number sign minus 10. Value of d is equal to minus 10. dx is equal to c1 b1, c2 b2 is equal to, put the value of c1 54, b1 6, c2 28, b2 2, in bracket 54 into 2 minus in bracket 6 into 28 is equal to 54 multiplied by 2. 108 108 minus multiplication 168 dx इज इक्वल टू 108 ब्रैकेट के बाहर निगेटिव साइन 8 dx इज इक्वल टू plus 108 minus 168. Subtraction. Bigger number sign right here, minus 60. dy is equal to a1 c1 rows, a2 c2 is equal to, put the value, a1 4, c1 54, a2 3, c2 28. In bracket 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3. Multiplication. (112) minus 162 is equal to 112. Here plus sign, then change the sign because of ब्रैकेट के बाहर निगेटिव साइन, इसीलिए minus 162. In subtraction, dy is equal to minus 50. Value of dy minus 50. Value of dy is equal to minus 50. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d is equal to dx, value of dx minus 60 upon value of d minus 10. Then x is equal to 10 1s are 10, 10 6s are minus minus plus. Then x is equal to 6. Y is equal to dy upon d. Y is equal to, value of dy is equal to minus 50 upon value of d minus 10. Then y is equal to 10 1s are 10, 10 5s are 50. Minus minus plus. Then y is equal to 5. Value of y is equal to 5. Multiplying equation second by 2. X into 2 minus y upon 2 multiply by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2. X to cut minus y is equal to 1. Equation second. By Cramer's rule, A1 B1, here write C1, here A2 B2 is C2. In bracket, A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to 2. Bracket complete. A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to minus 1, here coefficient 1, C2 is equal to 1. D is equal to A1 B1, A2 B2. A1 is equal to 2, substitute the value. B1 3, A2 2, B2 minus 1. A1 A2, B1 B2. Put the value up. In bracket 2 into minus 1 minus in bracket 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2, then minus 3 into 2 6 is equal to minus and then 8. D is equal to minus 8. Dx is equal to C1 B1, C2 B2, C1 C2 B1 B2 is equal to value of C1 2, B1 3, C2 1, B2 minus 1 is equal to in bracket 2 into minus 1 minus in bracket 3 into 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 3 into 1 3 is equal to 5. dx is equal to 5. dy is equal to a1 c1 a2 c2 is equal to a1 2 c1 2 a2 2 c2 1 is equal to in bracket 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2 minus is equal to opposite side, then minus 2. dy is equal to minus 2. Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx upon d is equal to value of dx minus 5 upon minus 8. Then x is equal to 5 upon 8. X is equal to value of dx minus 5, value of d minus 8, minus minus plus. Y is equal to dy upon d. Then y is equal to dy is equal to substitute the value of dy minus 2 upon value of d minus 8. Y is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, minus minus plus is equal to 1 upon 4. Y is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, solution is x comma y is equal to, first write value of x 5 upon 8, then value of y 1 upon 4.